Okay, so I don't remember what this is, but I know I'm excited about it, or possibly what am I trying to do? It's not a frame lock, Kevin. And so we got something going on here. Looks like a knife. Oh, I think I know what this is. Okay. So it's kind of weird. There's no there's no package at all. So this is a knockoff AD15. So these I bought one from um, AliExpress, and it's never come in. And they're refusing to refund my money, wanting to make me wait another month for it to not come in. So I don't know. I'm not real happy about all that, and I'm not making any future purchases on AliExpress because of it. But I seen this one on eBay, and I was like, well, let me go ahead and order because I really just want to see about the knife. This is plastic. The scales are plastic. This is no great shakes. I wonder if I ever see the one from AliExpress, if it's metal or not. I don't know. Uh, but this kind of gives me an idea if I do want to get an actual AD15 someday or not. Cold Steel S35V in Taiwan. The clip is a low. It's not a medium and it's not a heavy. It's a light. It's a very light clip. Not a good clip. That right there is going to kind of goober up in your pocket. That's the worst kind of clip you could imagine. Uh, and there's no flicking. Well, there we go. I managed to flick it open. I like the blade. It's a flat ground blade. It's got some contouring on top. I like that. It is a drop point, spear point, uh, hybrid. I don't know what all you want to call it. There is up and down, and there is left and right. And of course, all that's loose. That took care of the left and right. Up and down is still there. I doubt that'll go away. Uh, and now it's very tight. Yeah. And so this knife right here is made hard to open if you're holding this, because this is actually the lock of the knife. And so you can see that this right here being plastic and that bar in between, that lock is, it's not holding up to anything. But this does give me some ideas as to, you know, if I would want to get this knife, because I don't know if the actual knife has bearings or washers, but this has washers. I'm pretty sure the actual knife is all metal. If I ever see the one from AliExpress, that might convince me to actually get the knife if these parts are metal. But then again, I don't know. I don't know how much this knife is. It's probably way too expensive for me to want to bother uh, trying to spend that kind of money. Um, I don't know what you call that. That's not finger gimping. I don't know what that is. That's like that's a fish scaler. So anyway, it was neat. It was little or nothing, even on eBay. I don't even remember what I paid for it. Like 12 bucks, $13, something like that. And so I mean, I got what I paid for. Now the real thing is going to be, just uh, unimaginably more. Looks like they got grease on it to try to. It needs all the help it can just to open. uh, so I think I would like this knife if it was real. I really think I would like this knife. So anyway, I mean that gives you an idea of the size. Usually these clones, which this ain't even a clone. I mean it's all plasticky and everything. Usually these clones give you an idea of what's if the size of the actual knife, and so you have a really good idea of how the actual knife's going to be. And this right here is 3 3/4 roughly rough blade length. I keep wanting to do the liner lock, and you can hear that. I hope you can hear that. That sounds like plastic. I can pull the plastic scales off to the side. But this may be another knife that would be pretty awesome in creating a project knife. Of course, the steel probably isn't, probably just regular stainless steel. Uh, I doubt, I don't think it's S35VN, but it's probably regular steel, stainless steel. And it may be worth trying to, make possibly some wooden scales and then remake this because I know I can make this in aluminum pretty easy and put this part in there. And I believe I can make it with better tolerances so I don't have that up and down. Or even a way of adjusting that tolerance. Don't know. Some ideas. But still in all, I think it'd be cool to kind of project this knife and Frankenstein it into something pretty cool, like I intend to do for this old piece of junk someday or another. uh, really strange, no burrs on the blade. I would expect blade burrs on a blade like this. Uh, they're afraid of sharpening. They don't have whetstones. They don't have belt grinders. They don't have any way of sharpening these knives. So anyway, it's pretty cool. It's neat. It's a step to decide to get a knife like this, in which I think I may someday or another when I'm rich, and I'm raking in tons of money on YouTube. Yeah, yeah, I know you're laughing too, right? So anyway, look, guys, if you appreciate this kind of content, I would ask that you would like and subscribe. It'd mean a lot to me. And if not, stick around because you will find something you like. So I thank you, I appreciate you, and I so look forward to having you guys around. So I will see you on the next one. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.